Hey everyone, here is AB. So welcome to the application process on how to apply for the German Opportunity Card. So this video here is not meant to give you much explanation about what is the German Opportunity Card. I have did a video about that. I will put the link below here if you want to know more first. But for now, I just want to focus on how to apply this Opportunity Card. So make sure that if you want to know more in details about the German Opportunity Card, then go and watch the first video. So this is the website, official website here. You can just come to this website here, as it says https://chancekarte.com/enc or /de. So this is the first website that you are going to, but you can just go on your Google and then search for these things here, Chancekarte. Then it will bring you to this website. Then once you are on this website here, you can change the language either to English or German. For instance, if I should click this one here, it is right now in German. So most likely if you first visit the website, it's going to be like this in German. So do not get confused. You can just click here and this will change the language to English. Yeah, so once you are able to change the language to English, all right, now, so once you are able to change the language to English, then you can click on application assistance. Then once you click on application assistance here, as you can see, say the best place to start your application for the German chance card, which is the opportunity card. And then here is the application process. Then you can just go on, click your nationality. For instance, I am from, let's say, Gambia, like I'm a Gambian, and then it's going to ask me some questions here. Is your country of residence different from your nationality? No. Do you have a qualification that require at least 2 years to complete? Yes. So now you can choose. Yes, I hold professional qualification, vocational training. Yes, I have a university degree. Yes, I have, then you can just choose which one you have. So I will say, so I will just choose the first one. Now here it says, did you obtain your qualifications in Germany, or is it partially or fully recognized there? Yes, my qualification is fully recognized in Germany. Yes, I obtained my professional qualifications or university degree in Germany. Yes, my qualification is partially recognized in Germany. Yes, my qualification, then you just click on, I will just click the first one. Yes, my qualification is recognized in Germany. So it is also going to ask you, how well do you speak German? Fluent, B2 above, B1, A2. So I will go with this one. So how well do you speak English? Business fluent. So what is your age? I will choose 18 to 34. So do you possess or do you possess work experience relevant to your professional qualifications or to your university degree? Yes. How many years of experience do you have in this field? I can provide evidence less of, let's say, 2 years of experience. Is your formal qualifications in a bottleneck professions? Please select from the list or choose no if it does not apply. Natural science, mathematics, engineering, healthcare, educational sector, information technology. Educational. No, mine is not here, but I just want to give you guys, now let's say, no, mine is not part of these ones. Okay. Have you resided legally in Germany for a continuous period of at least 6 months in the last 5 years? I have, but you guys have not. So now let's choose on, I have never lived in Germany or not stayed for more than 6 months. Let's choose that. So do you have a particular, do you have a partner also wishes to enter Germany with opportunity card? No, for me, no, I'll be moving alone. Then you can choose whether you have a partner. Let's say you have a wife whom you want to move here in Germany, then you can definitely click on yes. I would like to move to Germany with my partner. So for me, it's no. So here it says, do you have a sufficient financial resources to secure your livelihoods? I mean, here in Germany, at least 12,324 euros per person. Yes, I have the financial means. I do not possess the required amount. So you can choose. You can say yes, I have the financial means. Do you already have a job offer from an employee in Germany? Let's say you have a job offer from an employee here in Germany, then you can just click on yes. What is your first name? Then I can just, let's say, borrow all those email address. I don't want all those. Okay, and now let me just put on my email address here. So now I am going to put my email address here. So here it says, what is your first name? Let me say Baro, it's my first name, then my email address. And this is my email address. Then let me just submit. So now here, so this is the process. It says, dear Baro, below you find your personal results and the next steps of your Chancekarte application based on your response. So Chancekarte score, degree recognized, congratulations. So here it says that earning full recognition scores like allow for immediate granting of Chancekarte. You can head over to your embassy or consulate right away and apply. Make sure you have all the papers ready. So this information is based on your input. The ultimate decision on your Chancekarte application will be, so your application will be taken by your visa officer, guys. So this is all it takes. Now here, then once you do this thing, now they will send you an email to you, like to your email address. Then you can just go there and open that. Let me open mine first and show you guys. All right, so once, let's say, okay, so once you go to your email address, I don't want to show you guys that here, but they sent me an email address, then whereby you can just go on and check it, but this is the most important things. So here you can check whether your recognitions, I mean the documents you provide are all legit. Then if yes, you are good to go. You can provide them to the embassy and then they will be able to issue you your visa. So guys, if you guys love this process and the applications, please make sure you just subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you also have any questions, let me know on the comment section. So see you guys.